Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Snehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Let's know our book, how it is. Very first page, that is cover page of our book. You can see a very beautiful starry sky which we can see at night. So many stars are there and a full moon day is there. Full moon is there. You can see some children touching to the moon. That means they are trying to touch, trying to see what is there in our English book 5. See, the name of our book is very interesting. My English book 5. Children, I like this word my very much because my, this word shows more affection, more love to that thing. And in these different stars, you can see there are different characters to whom you are going to meet this year. There is a big red pumpkin, a little red hen, a tiny mouse, and so on. We will move to the next page. This is the back cover page of our book, which consists of some different shapes. It has squares, there are rectangles, there are circles and ovals and kites and so on. But these shapes are not empty. You can see something is printed in these shapes. So these are the different activities which we are going to perform throughout the year. For example, in first square, it is written that say A to Z in 10 seconds. So, we have already learned the letters. So, here we have to say it very fast. In just 10 seconds, we have to say all these 26 letters. So, in this way, we are going to perform different activities this year. The important page, that is the contents page. Actually, we do not look this page carefully. So what is printed over here? There are unit numbers. So in this year we are going to learn 6 units. And what is there in 6 units? There are some poems, there are some stories, there are some games, and the page numbers are printed here. So it saves your time to find out that poem or story are lying on which page. So this is the meaning of this contents page. Now this was just a brief introduction of our page. We saw the first cover page, the last cover page and the contents page. Now we will start doing our activity number 2 from page number 3. We can see here A to Z. Okay? Number 1 and the activity number 2. Now this is a activity but very interesting too. You can see there are small letters and big letters. You are very familiar with these letters. Now you will see, Snail Miss, we know all these letters. We have learned these letters. Yes, my dear children, I know that. But this year we are going to play with these letters. We are going to enjoy doing something other activities with this letter. We are going to do some other activities, something different with these letters. Let's What are these activities? Activity number 1, write all the small letters on a single line. See, in standard 4th we have written these letters but among 4 lines. Now we have to write all these small letters on a single line. There are small and capital letters, but today we will focus on small letters. What we are supposed to do? We will write it on a single line. I'll show you how to write that. A, C, E, and so on. Some more letters. B, F, and L, and so on. Some more letters. G, Y, and Q, and so on. Now you must be thinking that why Snail teacher has not written the letters A, B, C, D in this order? Why A, C, E, B, F, L, G, Y, Q? See children, here I have written these letters to show you that how the different letters can be written on the single line with their shapes. See now these A, C, E, they have semicircular shape. So they have to be written in this way as I have written on the line. B, F, L, they are in standing shape. Again you will place them on the line. And in the last line there are G, Y, Q. So such letters are to be written in this way that there some part of these letters you can see you have to be it is to be written under the line. You can see some part of G, Y, and Q. You should not place them on the line, but this part of these lessons should be written under the line. So in this way you will keep practicing writing these letters. Okay? Next activity. Write all the small letters on a plain paper. Now we have written these letters on a single line paper. Now we have to write these small letters on a plain paper. We will take a plain drawing paper and we will write letters like this on this plain paper. Now why we have to practice writing this letter on a plain paper? That without line, how straight away we can write that. See, you will enjoy this, that whenever you will write these letters on a blank or a plain paper, you will see some letters goes up, some comes down. So in zigzag way we write initially. Afterwards with practice we can write it without line straight away. Okay? Now one more very interesting activity. Write all the small letters in different sizes. Very big and very tiny. Tiny means very small. I'll demonstrate this to you. We will take a blank paper again. We will take some other letter. We will take A. This is normal A, normal size. Now the next we have to write it very big. See, normal A and A letter written in a big size. And now we have to write in a very tiny shape. You can see a very small I have written. Is it visible to you? Can you see that? So in this way, from A to Z, you will practice writing all the letters in a normal shape, in a very big shape, and very tiny size. Different sizes. Okay, not shapes. Here I mean to say sizes. Now, got this activity, how to perform this? One more very interesting activity, that is activity number 4, is write all the small letters in fancy shapes. Fancy, but not regular shape. There should be some creativity. You should put your creativity and you should put it in designing shapes, that is fancy shapes. I'll show you some of the shapes over here. We will take letter B. This is normal B. We will try to write in fancy shape. See, I have changed its shape now. One more shape. And this comes one more. So in this way, you will enjoy this activity very much. I know that, because you can put your creativity, you can put them in fancy shape as well as you can color them also. So this activity is very, very interesting. So my dear children, we have practiced all these activities with small letters, but at the same time you have to do this with capitals letter also. You know how capital letters? So there are small and capital letters. We have seen some activities with small letters. You practice these activities as well as you practice these activities with capital letters also. That's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye bye.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.